to trust not only me but everyone around me because of you. I am afraid I lose my way, and it's not too long before you point it out. I cannot cry because I know there's weakness in your eyes. I'm forced to fake a smile and laugh every day of my life. My heart can't possibly break when it wasn't whole to start with. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. Watch I heard you cry every night in your sleep. I was so young, you should have known better than to